Welcome to Jamaica.
From several parishes in Jamaica on June 10th, at least 3 low-flying passenger aircrafts would have been visible across Jamaica's skies. Yeah man, greetings, this is Stewie. Welcome back to another video from beautiful Jamaica.
1163 St. Tower, negative Marina Station, runway dry, in clear to land runway 07, wind 090 degrees at 13 knots.
Okay, clear to land 07, United 1163.
These flights would have been spotted between 1 to 1:30 depending on where you are on the island. American Airlines Flight 3234 scheduled to arrive in Montego Bay from Miami. Southwest Flight 1042 from Chicago to Montego Bay. And Delta Airlines Flight 1801 scheduled from Atlanta to Montego Bay.
257 St. Tower, runway 07. Arrived at Tree 1 Vacant, let me do a taxi Alpha.
Alpha, United 1163.
63, request a pilot.
It was very stable all the way down, then at about 100 or 200 feet, we got like a 10 knot headwind additional. Our airspeed gain of about 10, maybe 15 knots.
3 St. Tower, Roger. Contact going 127. 2565 St. Tower, clear takeoff on 07, wind 090 at 14.
Clear takeoff 07, left 5565.
These flights were diverted from Sangster's International Airport in Montego Bay to the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston due to a fast-moving thunderstorm which was west of the field and directly in the approach path, affecting aircraft operating conditions. These airplanes would have taken on the short 20 minutes hop or so over to Kingston, flying at about 8,000 or so feet, just enough to clear the Blue Mountains. Diversions are very rare in Jamaica, but safety first, my friends.
Contact to departure 120.8 today.
20.8, 6565.
Ready to go?
We are ready, American 875.
Okay, takeoff runway 07, wind 100 at 12.
Runway 7, American 875. Our Southwest 906, RMP 7.
06 St. Tower, Roger, continue approach runway 07.
07, Southwest 906.
06, official advisory. We got an arrival at Boeing 7 at Tree approximately 6 minutes ago. Aircraft was boarded. That's him. I could turn the wind at about 100 feet. Heat approach on your back plan. That's right. St. Tower, approach runway 07, wind 100 degrees at 14 knots.
Runway 07, Southwest 906.
Turn 875, airborne to Tree 8, contact, ascend to departure 120, 906, arrive at 41. Radio taxi Alpha, request a pilot. Vacate at Alpha, and yeah, a little bit of gain at the last 100 feet, probably 5 to 10 knots. 5 to 10 knots, that's right, fine. Affirm. 906, roger. Contact 112.7, good day. Okay. 2 joining final approach for runway 07. 6427, roger. Continue approach runway 07. Continue approach runway 07, yeah, 1462. 1462, be advised, most aircraft reporting plus 5, airwind, short final runway 07. Speed improving, before reports were plus 10 and upwards, now down to plus 5. Negative wind escalation, negative boost on timer, approximately 7.5, 8 knots. United 1462, continue approach. And 1462, clear to runway 07, wind is even minor, speed degrees at 8 knots. 460, clear to land runway 07. Four six two out of 50, vacate removal taxi Alpha, request a pilot. Right turn on Alpha and about plus 6 to 7 knots at about 150 feet. 462, roger. Contact on 121, decimal 7. 7, good day, United 142. 857 for RMP, runway 7. 5772 tower, good day, clear to runway 07, wind 160 at 7 knots. Runway 7, American 857. Level 173 reported, plus 6 to 7 knots, tailwind on final at 160 feet. American 857. Tower, JetBlue 279 with you, RNAV, RNAV, RMP, runway 7. JetBlue 279 at 72 tower, roger, continue approach runway 07. Approach 07, JetBlue 279. Be advised, we'll be releasing Airbus 320 traffic before your arrival. 124, confirm full ready. Control flight 124 is ready to go. Roger, arrive by runway 07, behind arriving Airbus 321 traffic, be ready for immediate. Right, line up at wait, runway 7, control flight 124. 857 vacate runway via taxi Alpha, and clear going 1217.
Alpha, up to ground American 857.
Fast ribbon, advise, thanks to ground, pilot please. Four thanks to Qatar, wind 180 at 14, clear takeoff on the 07.
Runway 07, Frontier Flight 124.
So with the 2915, we're ready and sequence for runway 07. Session 2911 fast, thanks to Qatar, roger. Hold shot runway 07, stand by. 12 runway 07, standing by Washington, 2915. Proceed the aircraft reported 17 knot crosswind. You click runway 07, wind 170 degrees at 12 knots.
And runway 07, JetBlue 27.
Frontier 108, thanks to radar 120.8 today.
20.8, Frontier 124 today. Delta 1955 on the RMP runway 7.
Thanks to Charlie today, continue approach runway 07.
Continuing Delta 1955.
Blue 279 arrive at 10, vacate via taxi Alpha, requesting a pilot.
Yeah, Alpha and just moderate range, smooth ride all the way down.
Roger. For the immediate takeoff of Swanto west of 2915. 279 that's at ground 1217.
7, JetBlue 27.
2915, thanks to Roger, cleared immediate takeoff, runway 07, wind 170 degrees at 12 knots, no delay. Clear for takeoff, immediate west to 2915. 1955, thanks to Tower, continue approach, runway 07, release number 73, additional information, arriving JetBlue traffic, reported a smooth ride in all the way.
We're still continuing for Delta 1955.
Yes, sir. 1955, negative at the station, visibility on Farrow, appears to be approximately 3 miles.
Power Gilman 505 sequence.
Thanks to Tower, roger. After this departure, I have one arrival, and then it'll be you to leave next. 195.576 tower, wind station 180 at 12, clear takeoff, correction, clear to land, runway 07.
07 Delta 1955.
2915, airborne and 13, contact to radar and 120, decimal lane, good day. Runway 07. Put 195, Robert 15, locate runway via taxi Alpha, on clear contact ground 120.7.
Over to ground, Delta 1955, good day.